refuses to give a drug test. Eventually, we know that she did finally give a drug test, but here's the situation that happened yesterday. Let's take a listen.
No, it is my fundamental right to say no. My lawyer has told me. And if you think of they are witnesses, me, as a lady officer, he is a doctor, he is a RMO, madam, but there is a process, investigation process. Sir, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಭರವಸೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ರೀಸನ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟಂತ ನಾವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಲಾಯರ್
convinced me to come, saying that you just want me to answer a few questions, but eventually now you're pushing me to a drug test. I will not give a drug test. It's my fundamental right. My lawyers have told me not to give a drug test. If I don't want to give, you can't force me to give. You've got to take permission from court and whatnot. She's been seen arguing with the police as well as those officers who've been probing into the drug angle in Karnataka's sandalwood film industry, and this happened yesterday, last morning, when Sanjana Galrani was taken into the hospital for a drug test. She reaches the hospital, and while she was being asked to submit, or in fact sign on a document agreeing for a drug test, she refused to do so. She eventually went on to argue with those the team of the CCB as well as the doctors who were trying to carry out a blood test, a drug test. But she argued, she fought with them, she cried foul, she said that they're making her a scapegoat. Eventually, she conceded. Eventually, she did give the test. Now, Ragini as well as Sanjana Galrani have both given in their tests. But here are visuals coming in of Sanjana Galrani not being cooperative. Do remember that Sanjana's very close friend Rahul has been arrested as a drug peddler. He's had huge links with the sandalwood film industry, and he is said to have supplied a large chunk of drugs to several sandalwood celebrities, including Sanjana Galrani. And this is exactly what the CCB there is now investigating, and owing to those drug peddlers being arrested, here is Sanjana, who is a direct link to one of the drug peddlers there, Rahul, who's arrested. She also now being booked. In fact, she's been arrested. She's been questioned. She's been asked about her links with Rahul and several other people who may be involved in this drug nexus in Karnataka. And she clearly in this video here seen not cooperating. Sanjana Galrani yesterday, this took place yesterday at the hospital when they took her in for a drug test. She threw a fit, not willing to give a test. She insisted that this is not right, that the CCB is pushing her and forcing her against her will, and it is a fundamental right to say no to a drug test. She said she's not done anything wrong, and if she's innocent, then why should she concede to a drug test? She made a fuss, threw a fit all along for quite a few hours that they did try and convince her finally to give out a drug test. She and Ragini Dwivedi finally gave out a drug test. This happened in Bengaluru just yesterday when Sanjana Galrani was found not cooperating, eventually agreed. Nagarjun joining us for more details on this. Nagarjun, what really happened with Sanjana Galrani yesterday? This video comes in from yesterday where she creates such a fit at a hospital and says that she doesn't want to give a drug test. It's her fundamental right. Talk to my lawyers. Quite drama that she created at the hospital. While on one hand, Ragini quietly gave out her drug test. What was the problem with Sanjana? She cried, she pleaded, she said, I'm not married, and then eventually she was found to be married. I mean, so much drama for what eventually?
Well, true. In fact, she was brought to KC General Government Hospital yesterday for a dope test, and the police asked her to sign few forms and asking her to give us samples, as a blood sample and urine sample. But she was unwilling, saying the police will have to first explain as to why is that she's arrested and what wrong did she do. And she went on to say that you're making bakra out of me. I didn't do anything wrong, and till date I don't know why you have arrested me, and I'm not willing to give a drug test. The lawyer has told me say no to everything, and eventually she did agree for a drug test. The reports will come in 5 to 7 days later is what we are told. The drug test will have crucial details if she did consume few drugs in the last few days or last few weeks. But the video, dramatic video, comes through from KC General Hospital, where she is arguing with Inspector Puneet from the crime branch.
Right, Nagarjun, speaking of the drug test here, what does the drug test really signify? If they are found, if Ragini and Sanjana are found to have consumed drugs, what really does that conclude here? Will they be punished for consuming drugs, or is the probe here looking at if they are peddling and pushing for narcotic substances? Because we know the rules and the laws
Nabila,
are different for both.
At this point of time, they're already booked for consuming drugs. That's under the NDPS Act. There are no evidences. The police have said that they were peddling. It was only that they were consuming in the parties and their friends were peddling it. The investigation only will probe if they were also peddling it in the next coming days.
Punishment for consumption, Nagarjun, if you can take us through any punishment for consumption and what is the limit of consumption, any word, and if they've caught anything that they are in possession of?
No, they have not caught any possession of any hard drug at their residences in Sanjana and Ragini. They've only retrieved digital chat evidence like we spoke about remand copy, about how Ragini Ravi Shankar was talking to each other, and Ravi Shankar and Prashant Ranka were talking to each other about bringing the drugs. This was all chat in 2017, 2018, 2019. So they were only booked under consumption right now. The NDPS Act, most probably they might get a bail after post 14th when the bail hearing will appear. But at this point, the police have sought custody of Ragini and Sanjana for further questioning. The bail has not been given, even though they have moved to court. The next hearing is on September 14th. But what the police are saying that if the drug test had happened earlier, also there would be more evidence, crucial details coming out. But the arrest took place only a few days back. A drug test is inevitable because that's the protocol for everyone that gets arrested under the NDPS Act. If you are a consumer, you will be taken through a drug test so that some evidences can be found under investigation. And that's how they took her to KC General Hospital, where she didn't cooperate. And she said, it's my fundamental right. Until and unless my lawyer speaks to me, I won't, I won't cooperate with the investigation.
We see her throwing a fit. And Nagarjun, do stay with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.